Today's Friday. I just want you to participate with the lesson. Show me a picture, say we did it, or some kind of proof that you did this lesson. We do not need a video of you throwing today. We'll have you throw next Tuesday again. So enjoy the lesson, show us, and have a great weekend.
Do our warm-up. So remember, during our warm-up, make sure you got some space, okay? And just make sure you do the best you can. If you can't stay with everything, that's okay. But we're trying to move through everything. This is a dynamic activity, so we're moving through every exercise we're doing. All right, we're going to start with arm circles. All right, so remember, you can go different distances of your circles, different sizes. So you can go small, you can go big. I'm going forward right now. We're going for about 30 seconds or something like that. Now I'm going to reverse it. Going big again. Just want to keep moving. Get those arms warmed up. Now I'm going to go small. And you can vary from big to small. Go the other way, big to small. Working those shoulders. And stop. All right, good. Next one we're going to do is called arm hugs. So we're using those arms again, kind of working our tries, traps, going over and under. Again, we do this for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Just getting those arms warmed up again. Pretty important when we're doing our throwing. All right, so that was arm hugs. Okay, next we're going to do high knees. So we're going to do about 20 of them, okay? All right, go. 20. All right, good job. All right, we're going to do butt kicks. We're going to do about 20 of those again. Okay, ready? Go. 13, 15, 16, 19, 20. Good job. All right, now we're going to do windmills. So we're stretching out our legs and our back. Okay, we start like this, feet apart. Gonna reach down. Opposite. Stand up in between. There's 2, 3, 4. Keep those legs straight. Reach as far as you can. If you can't go all the way to your feet, it's okay. You notice I'm not. Stand all the way up in between. A few more. And stop. All right, next we're going to do cross lateral knee touches. So we're going to lift our knee, touch with our opposite elbow, and then do the other side. Lift that knee up, okay? All right, so here we go. Cross lateral knee touches. 1, 2. 10. 15. And 20. Good job.
All right, K-2, we're gonna do a quick workout. First gonna do some jumping jacks. We're gonna do 20 of them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next, what I want you to do is I want you to put your feet shoulder width apart. So you're gonna have your shoulders and your feet should be right below them. Try to keep your feet flat. I know so many of you are way more flexible than me, so try to get as low as you can. I'm gonna squat down and we're gonna do 15 of these. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, I want you to lay on your stomach where we do some bug squashers. So lay all the way down, and we're going to do 10 of them. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, lay on your back. You can either have your legs straight, bent, or together. I'm going to put mine together and do 10 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A few more things and we're done. Guess what? We're gonna hop. Hop up and down. Switch. Go side to side. Switch. Go side to side. Freeze. Jump jump as high as you can. Look. And let's jump for distance twice. And now you're off to your activity. Catch and throw. You're going to need one ball, and if you're inside, I'll tell you again, use either a rolled up sock or a crumpled up piece of paper. And for here, don't forget all 6 cues. And what we're going to do is, I'm going to throw the ball in the air, catch, and then I'm going to begin to throw. I can also bounce it off the ground, catch, and get ready to throw. But that's the idea, is we want to practice a little catching with 2 hands, bring it in, and then start throwing. I have a wall I can throw at that has an object to throw at as well. Depending what grade you're in, what I'd like you to do is either throw at an object or a wall in general. But here's what this is going to look like. My back is going to be turned to you for a second. Throw the ball. Catch. And this is going to be about 3 to 5 minutes of practicing catching, throwing. You could let it bounce. Catch. Again, we're doing catching and throwing. You can pick an object to throw at, or you could just throw it at a big wall. Now we're going to focus on throwing at an object. Pick an object in your house that your parents are okay with you throwing a ball at. Maybe you throw at a stuffed animal, a pillow, a blanket if you're indoors. Maybe you go outside and you have a tree you can throw at. Or whatever works best for you and your situation. Remember, inside, I would suggest using a crumpled up piece of paper or a sock ball. But here we go. I'm going to focus on trying to hit the blue mat over there. And we're going to talk about real quick your outcomes, your unit outcomes for each grade level. Remember, kindergarten, you're focusing on your opposite foot. Opposite foot, no matter what hand you're using. You can do underhand or you can throw. So this is what kindergarten might look like. Opposite foot or opposite foot. If you notice, that time I didn't use all 6 cues, that's because kindergarten were focused on the opposite foot no matter what. But if you're an advanced kindergartner, you might look something like this, where I use all 6 cues. First grade, same thing. You're going to aim at your object, use all 6 cues. Ready position, opposite foot where we've gone sideways, eagle arms, bow and arrow, opposite pocket. And it does not have to be fluid. Second grade, remember your unit outcome is to be able to use all 6 cues smoothly. So it's going to look like this. Use all 6 cues. Again, it's ready position, opposite foot, eagle arms, bow and arrow, ready opposite pocket, ready position. So this is what a 4 would look like for second grade. Now go off and go do it. Welcome to Buckets, Buckets, Buckets. Today you're going to need to find some material to throw in. I have these mats and I created them to be buckets. You could use bowls, buckets. You could create your own with pillows so that there's a circle to land in. What you throw with, if you're inside, I would recommend using either sock balls, so you take your socks, you roll them up, or get a few paper balls and crumple them up. For those paper balls, you can reuse them in future lessons to come. So here's how this works. We're going to use all 6 cues. Ready position, opposite foot when we go sideways, eagle arms, bow and arrow, opposite pocket, ready position. You have to make your first bucket before you can move to your next ones. So if you're lucky enough to be able to go outside with parent permission, you could even have more than 3 buckets. And then you could keep going as far away as you want from where you start at. I've got 3 balls, and if I miss, I'll probably go get them. And let's see what this looks like. Last thing, you're going to do this for 3 to 5 minutes. Here we go. Last one. Gotta have confidence too. So that only took me about 30 seconds, so I would pick them up and do it again. I might even, if I have space, make a farther distance away. I hope you have a lot of fun, and remember, ask for parents' permission. 3 to 5 minutes.